Imagine waking up to skin so radiant and smooth. It feels like you've spent a day at the spa. The secret isn't in expensive creams or endless skincare routines. It's in the power of natural oils. These oils work wonders while you sleep, repairing, hydrating, and rejuvenating your skin. Here's our countdown on the top 10 oils to give you an overnight glow. Watch to the end for the best skin-transforming oil. 10. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a lightweight, non-greasy oil that closely mimics your skin's natural sebum. It's perfect for balancing oily skin and keeping it moisturized without clogging pores. Rich in vitamins E and B, it soothes irritation and can even help reduce acne scars over time. Apply a small amount before bed for a soft, hydrated complexion by morning. 9. Sweet almond oil. Packed with vitamins A and E, sweet almond oil is a gentle yet powerful solution for dull, uneven skin. It helps fade dark spots, reduce puffiness, and restore a natural glow. This oil is particularly great for the delicate under-eye area. Massage a few drops onto your skin before bedtime and let it work its magic overnight. 8. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a deeply hydrating option for those with dry or mature skin. It's loaded with fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins C and E, which promote collagen production and fight free radicals. Use this oil to plump and soften your skin while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Rosehip oil. Known as a natural retinol alternative, rosehip oil is a holy grail for anti-aging enthusiasts. It's rich in vitamin A, which helps to reduce wrinkles, improve skin texture, and even out skin tone. This oil absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth without a greasy residue. 6. Grapeseed oil. If you're prone to breakouts, grapeseed oil is your best friend. It's high in linoleic acid, which helps reduce acne and tighten pores. Grapeseed oil is also an excellent moisturizer, leaving your skin hydrated without contributing to oiliness. Dab a little on problem areas for clearer, healthier skin by morning. 5. Olive oil. While often overlooked, olive oil is a powerful skincare ingredient packed with antioxidants and hydrating properties. It's perfect for locking in moisture and soothing irritated skin. Apply a thin layer to your face before bed for deeply nourished skin overnight. It's also fantastic for softening dry lips. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a household staple for a reason. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it ideal for soothing irritated or inflamed skin. Plus, it's an intense moisturizer that leaves your skin glowing. Be mindful if you have acne-prone skin, as coconut oil can clog pores for some individuals. 3. Marula oil. Marula oil is a luxurious option for those looking to repair and rejuvenate their skin. It's packed with antioxidants and omega fatty acids, making it ideal for reducing redness, inflammation, and signs of aging. This fast-absorbing oil leaves your skin feeling velvety soft without any greasy residue. 2. Argan oil. Often called liquid gold, argan oil is a powerhouse of hydration and nourishment. It's rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, making it perfect for softening skin, reducing fine lines, and improving elasticity. Apply a few drops nightly for a noticeable glow that lasts all day. 1. Tea tree oil. The ultimate skin-transforming oil is tea tree oil. Its powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a game-changer for acne-prone and blemished skin. Just a small amount can reduce redness, calm breakouts, and leave your skin clearer and brighter. Be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil to prevent irritation, and watch as your skin transforms overnight. Natural oils are some of the most effective, affordable, and versatile tools in your skincare arsenal. From hydrating and soothing to repairing and rejuvenating, these oils offer something for every skin type. Which oil will you try tonight? Let us know your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to share this list with a friend looking for their next skincare miracle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.